Lauren says, Brent, do you think or know whether Ram Dass is present, in spirit? Yeah, definitely, definitely. So Ram Dass in particular, has played a big, big role on my journey. Um, uh, a major component of my journey began, not began, but like very early on, psychedelics really opened me up. And I read Ram Dass's work on psychedelics. He was pretty influential in bringing, psilocybin and LSD and stuff to the conversation. So definitely contributed to me in that way. His book, Be Here Now, I went to the library at my university in my undergrad, is massive library, like 5 or 6 floors. And I was on like the one of the like very like the higher floors, and it's completely empty. And I'm looking at all of these academic books trying to find something for school or whatever. And I just see this very odd looking book. And I'm like, what the heck is this? So I pull it out and it's Be Here Now. And very out of place in this university library. But I was like, this is so strange. What is this? So anyway, I read that and I was completely blown away. If you don't know about Ram Dass's work in the book Be Here Now, you absolutely must find yourself a copy at the library or whatever it is, not the ebook. You have to get a physical copy. Um, Let me show you my copy 1 second. Okay, so this is Be Here Now. I found this coffee at the thrift store. This is actually a really old edition. That's why I've kept it. I think it's like this one was from, this is 1972. This is the sixth printing, but they've printed many, many. So anyway, it's like a very, very special book. Very special book. If you're not familiar with it, you have to check it out. The pages look like this. It's an absolute work of art. It's not even a book, it's something else. You have to check it out. I'm not going to spoil it. And then in the back, there's like there's some, of course, there's some texts and there's different insights for practice, and there's his story, and then of course there's pictures of you know Ram Dass's guru, Neem Karoli Baba. Brilliant, brilliant man. Check it out. So that's a bit about Ram Dass's influence on me. Then of course, um, I had this major energetic experience, Kundalini explosion when I was 23. And then I didn't know what happened to me. And then I reported my experience to a friend, and she says, "Hey, Ram Dass talked about this thing called Kundalini awakening. I think that's what you're talking about." And then I was like, "Oh my God, Kundalini, Ram Dass, I have to look into this." So I found it where he was talking about it in a conversation called The Promises and Pitfalls of the Spiritual Path. He mentions Kundalini awakening. And so that was, how I came to understand that I was going through Kundalini awakening through Ram Dass. He, of course, went through it as well. Just not a major theme in his work. And then what else? I would listen to his talks. He's got a great podcast. I mean, he's passed on now, but his talks are available in a podcast form online on YouTube. Um, when he died a few days later, I had a dream where I was at a sort of party and he came up to me in his Hawaiian shirt. He shook my hand, and that was a bit of a darshan, you could say, in the dream. But to Lauren's specific question, is he still around? Is he present in spirit? So earlier this year on retreat, I uh, I was awoken in the middle of the night to Ram Dass in the corner of my room. He was about this tall in the corner of my room, and he threw a lightning bolt at me, and I got a whole energetic zap from that, a Shaktipat type experience. There was a few things that unfolded there, but one of the main things was that he told me to create Kundalini awareness. So for the next few hours, I just laid in bed, completely wide awake, receiving a download and instructions for creating KundaliniAwareness.org. So in essence, I guess you can give credit to Ram Dass for KundaliniAwareness.org and the directory and the stories and all of that. That's all Ram Dass. So um, I'm just here taking orders. Um, and he used to say a similar thing. He used to say Ram stands for rent a mouth. I'm just a mouth that God rents and uses me to say whatever God wants to say. So Ram Dass is incredible. If you haven't explored his work, check out his work. You absolutely must. Really open-hearted, just an all-around incredible, incredible person, Ram Dass. Vijay says, I had a similar experience with Be Here Now, not the book, but a symbol of it. Very interesting. Oh yeah, Vijay, I remember your profile picture was Be Here Now, the cover. Lauren sharing here. I listen to him all the time. I will. I was speaking to him all night. That's why I ask. I love him really. Oh, that's amazing. Amazing. Yeah. Yeah. We can connect with these great figures, you know. They their energy, their archetype, their soul, whatever it may be. I don't know, but it sticks around and we can relate with it. We can relate with it.